Hey y'all, it's Miss Jim, an old woman making things, and I'm late getting on because I was supposed to get on early. Tanya, I'm so sorry. Let me change the screen here. If you're watching this segment of the show, then you're probably on replay, so hit me up with the hashtag replay, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Y'all know the drill. If the red live button's lit up, then you are live, and I'm happy to have you here. And if you are on replay, I'm happy to have you there too. Okay, so now I'm 1 minute into this. So I was late. I am so sorry, Tanya. Y'all, this is my segment of the Creative Kinship Crafting Group Crafter's Choice event. It's hosted by Tanya from Tanya's Crafting Creations. And thank you, Tanya, for letting me be in this event. I really appreciate it. I've had fun trying to figure out what to do. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, she got me in the group because I was late, y'all. That's my fault, not hers. She was there to do it. I was not the one there. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna use this. This is a candlestick, and this. That's a cone. And I've already made a dress. This is gonna be an angel. And I've made a dress that fits like this because for the rest of this, I don't have a clue what we're doing. So, but this is long. Oh, let me see if I can find myself over here. I knew I was missing something because I can't see comments on that phone, apparently. Oh, that's a lovely picture. Okay, now I can see, well, no, I can't see. Y'all, I am scattered. Hey, Sister Jerry. Hey, Lisa. Where'd y'all go? Hey, little of me gifts and specialties. How are you? Hey, Becky and Sandy and Carolyn. Thanks for roaming the gnomes, Carolyn. Hey, Elaine and Tanya. I saw that. Thank you. And I'm sorry I didn't get on 2 or 3 minutes early. It got away from me. Hey, Caroline. Hey, Sandra. Hey, Amanda. Hey, Kathy Jones. How are you? Okay, so this is her dress. I just put the dress on the little thing, and you know, that's her feet. And I just got her up off the ground a little bit, is what I did. So I'm hoping this works out. I've not done one like this before. But I think what I'm gonna do is not glue that on yet. Yeah, I'm not gonna glue this on yet, but I am gonna glue this on. Hey Diana, thank you for roaming the gnomes. I'm just gonna stick a little bit of glue down here at the bottom of this, you know, kind of around. So, yeah, probably come out better if I actually had glue in the glue tool. Hey, Camille. Okay. So, now she's got a dress on. She's not naked anymore. Thank you, Kathy. Yeah, sprinkling helps, y'all. Okay. I don't know if this is going to take, I don't know how long this is going to take. But I've got, these are arms. I think I'm gonna put arms on her. So let me get some glue in my glue tool over here. Can y'all hear me? Are people here? Oh yeah, I've got 30 friends. Let's see, hey Deborah. I'm excited about my Happy Meal coming. But wow, that is a heavy box from what you said. Okay, I'm gonna just put some, this is kind of a liner for her arm because I don't want you to see the pink. So I'm just gonna, well, I got glue on my puddle pad. That's what I keep sticking my hand in, is the glue on the puddle pad. I've not done this with felt before, so it may be harder to work with, I don't know. The comments keep going away. Hey Julie, thank you. Hey Karen. Okay, I think I may be caught up, I don't know. Y'all, I hope I haven't seen many of you on watching the other crafters. Hey Sharon, while I'm here. Oh, I bet that was fun. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you, Sister. I'm not as frazzled as I may sound. except I don't like being late for other people to do what they need to do. I'm just going to leave that the way it is. So maybe I'll just glue it down. Hey, Tracy. Anyway, the crafting today has been really good, and y'all, I have not seen or heard of most of these people that are in this group. Hey, Ruthie, that are in this event, and I am impressed. The first person started out, and y'all, I'm not going to even try the names because I know I'll mess it up. Hey, Wayne. First person made a beautiful picture with crosses on it, 3 crosses on it. It's very pretty. And let's see, the second person did 12, 1, 2, yeah. Second person did quilling. I've never seen quilling done. She did quilling and made a Christmas tree ornament, candles in a candle holder. It's beautiful. And then the one right before me did a board. Oh, you missed some. Hey, Lucille. Oh, I'm glad you've got somebody to help you, though. Made a beautiful floral arrangement on a board and used burlap for a vase. It was really, really good. So, y'all, if you haven't seen them, go. Hey, Denise, if you didn't watch them, yeah, I'm very impressed with what I've seen so far with this group, and I expect to be impressed with the rest of it, because they're doing good work. Okay, so we got arms, and now I'm gonna, I hate to poke a hole in this. What is the event? The event is Crafter's Choice, and it's hosted by Tanya from Tanya's Crafting Creations and her group, which is Creative Kinship Crafting. But it's not quite lost because the person before me, or one of the people before me, did it. So it's not quite. Okay, let me see. Wait. Thank you, Sister Jerry, for sending the notes to your group page. Okay, I'm going to see where the wings go. Okay. Help? Sandy, did you mean hello or do you need help? Help you if I can. Hey, Levada. I've got sparkles on my satin here. Arms need to go about there. Thank you. Had me worried for a minute there. Okay, so I'm just going to make a little, where did I say? I hope this is going to work. I haven't used these wings before. So right there. I'm going to make a little snip over here. And then we're going to poke a hole in, and I'm going to leave the scissors in there so I can find it again. And then I'm going to put, what I rolled up is a Dollar Tree roller. Hey, Margaret. And y'all, if you have a page name, come on, use your page name. That's perfectly fine. Wait a minute. I'm just going to, well, Jimmy Ellis, honestly, I have to talk to myself. Hey, Sandy. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of glue down here just to hold this in. I want it to stand up. Okay, so I'm going to do the other. I'm forever losing my little white buttons here. Hey, Mary Jo. Y'all, I had my dog in for a while because it's so hot, and I gave him a big knuckle bone to chew on, big meaty knuckle bone from PetSmart to chew on because he's a chewer, and I figured except for the chewing noise that y'all would hear, that would keep him quiet and he could stay in, but I gave it to him too soon, and he must have been hungry or something because he just destroyed it in no time at all. Let's see if I can make that stand up straight somewhere. Okay, now. Putting some more glue. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm putting some more glue down here so that my button here is going to stick to, I want it to stick to the, so you can't see the pink, or not much of it anyway. And then I'm going to put this in the hole, like, well, then, okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this, and I'm purposely leaving a lot of space, you know, a lot of overhang here because well, let me go ahead and do that because I'm going to put this little half round right there. Crafting Miranda H-Town, thank you for walking the gnomes. I appreciate that. Okay, y'all sprinkle this out. We got 59 people here. Home care is coming. Well, good, Margaret. I hope they do something that makes you feel better. Oh, thank you. I can't see it if I'm not on video, so I'm glad it looks good on video. I'm gonna do what I should have done to begin with. It's just fix these up at the same time. Now I can, let me even this up a little bit. Oh, thank you, Kathy. Texas is getting rain showers. Y'all were having a sunny day today. I'm happy. That's probably a little bit more overhang than I need. I'm going to go ahead and even this one off too. Okay. Now, these are too small for me to turn right side out. I can't seem to get that done. So what I do is I run a bead of glue down one side. Well, and I fold it over. But I'm not going to do that this time because I've waited too long. And then I'm going to put this down here and roll it. And y'all, I did it backwards, so the satin part is on the inside. Well, fiddly-dee, Scarlett. I'll think of that tomorrow. Okay. So now I'm going to find where my arm goes. It's a long arm. Hey, Jenny. Watching Beryl. Oh, stay safe. Y'all have Beryl's. Y'all, that storm's doing a lot of damage, y'all. If you're in the path of that storm, please stay inside and safe. Because it's nasty. Okay, let me hold that there just for a minute. I feel like I've been talking forever, y'all, but I actually just started. Well, I've got 45 minutes. Hey, Dina. Okay, so let's see where that's over there. So let's make a little notch over here. Hey, Linda. Make a little hole there. Make it a little bigger. Okay, now take this. Make sure it fits. This is in the right place. Oh, nope, got to put this on it first. Lord of mercy, y'all. I'd forget my head if it weren't attached to my body. Hey, Sharon. Yes, prayers for all who are in the line of Hurricane Beryl. She's not being nice, y'all. Beryl does not play well with others. She's making a mess. Okay, so I need to let that dry. Hey, Regina, Sweet and Sassy Crafting. Phew, okay, breathe. Right now in a minute, I'm gonna stop and hold these in. Good so far. Okay, good. Hey, Jeanette. Ooh, that one's way down in there. I translated that. I knew that you said, when you said that, you meant far, and it spell check did a number on you. I knew that. Okay. So we've got this overdress. She can't just look like that, because she looks like the patron saint of Guatemala, the Guadalupe, or whatever their name is. So let's bend these down a little bit. In case you're wondering, this is going to be a gnome. An angel gnome. I haven't made one of those in a while. Okay. I think this makes a very pretty overskirt. And I'm trying to get this netting where I can Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut this off. I bought a wedding dress at Goodwill 2 years ago, and I'm still using it. And I haven't used very much of it at all. And then somebody gave me another wedding dress, so I have 2 wedding dresses in there. So I ought not to run out of satin anytime soon, right? Okay. So she's going to look kind of like that. How does that look? Kind of pretty, isn't she? Okay, so let me... But you know what? No, I don't want it that way. I want it to cover her arms. Oh, that was not smart, Jamillis. Nope, it's not going to cover her arms, y'all. It's going to have to be like this. Oh, I just want her clothes to stay on. That's all. You know, I'm gonna be sorry I put, what is that? Making a mess here. That didn't hang down before. I wonder if I'm going to hate that. I can't decide if I want to cut this off or not. I don't really want to cut it off because it will really mess up the design. But if I could... Thank you, Kathy. You covered all the bases there, I think. How much does that bother people that that's longer over there? Because, you know, I can live with a bunch of stuff. We're gonna let it stay. You like it, okay. I cannot just raise it up. I've glued it down. But I did raise it up some, so it's not hanging up quite so much. Give her a bustle. It won't go around that far. I wish it would. But you know, everything back here is going to be covered up by the wings. See, the wings are here. These wings, yes, it is movement. These wings are an ornament from Michael's that I got last year. And they didn't fit the way I wanted them to. I thought they'd fit across my... Hey, Janice. I thought they'd fit over my... bottle, but they're not. Okay, so that... See, it's going to look something like that. But, they, you know, the wings were gold, so I painted them silver. And then I decided I had way too much. For some reason, this isn't fitting anymore. And I had another pair of wings out, but I didn't get them. Anyway, I painted over them with silver and then silver, extreme silver Mod Podge. But then decided that was too much silver, so I painted the edges gold. And I can't decide if I do her hair like this and that covers up the wings. They are pretty, aren't they? So that covers the wings. If I use this hair, and I don't necessarily want to cover the wings. Weird. It looks weird. It's going to end up looking something like Yeah, there's still glue, wet glue back here. Hey Jennifer, make her pigtails. Well, I don't know how to make pigtails out of fake fur, and I'd have to use yarn, and I don't want to do that. But I do have some of this curly, wow, this curly stuff. That's a little bit smaller. Could do what? Uh-oh. Lost my comment, y'all. Could do something. Anyway, I could use this and make her a curly headed, if I can get it all out of them. It came out, it came out. Got a pigtail over here. Let's see what this looks like. I have a love-hate relationship with this hair from Hobby Lobby. So what you can do with it is you can wad it up and you put it where you want it. And that'll be just a teeny tiny turn of hair. It'll look like that when I put the crown on. I lost the crown. When I put the crown on, you can still see her wings. Nice, you like that? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna use the curly hair, but first I'm gonna get these. Okay, if I put them there like they're supposed to be, they kind of go. I should have glued her down there already. Okay, yeah, that's the hair I'm going to use. So now I've just got to figure out how to get the wings on here. I think I need to sit down for this. I'm going to try something else first. I've just noticed I've got some of this that I could actually make her a cape. Or maybe this one would be better. Let me see. What time is it? 20, gosh, I still got 30 minutes. Y'all, this wedding dress was beautiful. Very, very heavy dress. I actually put it on when I got it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna give her a cape. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give her a cape. We're gonna put the wings on top of that. Okay, is everybody here? And the cape will also cover up where the arms are, because that's kind of ugly. Put some there to hold the cape on. You love it. Yeah, I do too. Let's see. So I could pull it around tight. Then that covers up the ugly on the arms. Yay. I didn't like that ugly on the arms. Let me see, I got out a gold, but I should have gotten out silver. Shoot. Because I got a silver crown, so this should have been silver, but I have this little gold ornament here that I can put right there, and it gives it some color. But let me see where arms come. I do have time, so I'm just going to settle down and play. That's what I'm going to do. I like the cape too. I'm happy with the cape. We have the arms right up here. And she's going to be holding a little bird. Oh, I thought I had do not disturb on, but I keep getting messages. Don't need that. Okay. So let me get the cape. Too adorable. Hey, Blakely. Blakely, you late? Didn't you lead off? And make that wonderful cross painting. Or, okay, that's smarted. Get back down there. And where's the bird? So I'm trying to, I thought about putting the little pin, and I still could. I could put a little pin up here, a little Totally Dazzled thing up here to kind of keep the cape closed. And I was going to put a little bird, you know, let her be cradled in the little bird, like so. Yeah, you can see them both, so I'm going to do it. There goes that fingerprint. You like it, Carla? Good. Thank you. I like feedback. Nope, that's where our nose has got to go. Never mind. Forget that. Thank you for roaming the gnomes. It is cute so far. Thank you, Sharon. Okay, you know what? I think I'm tired of fighting with this thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on with B7000. I can find out what I did with it. I feel like a pervert. Looking up her skirt. Y'all don't report me. I'm not a pedophile or an angel-phile, as the case may be. Okay. Now let's see. Now let's see what we got. You're the creator. Well, sometimes I wonder about that. Okay, let's get her wings down. Thank you, Kathy. Okay, oops. Those are too far up. I'm funny. Well, problem is I don't have a filter. So I just talk. Okay, now she's got to have hair. What do I do with her hair? I'm worried about that crown. Okay, what you do with the hair is you get a glob of it, and I think she needs more hair. What do y'all think? You don't have a filter either? Yeah, I think a lot of people don't have filters. I'm not alone in that. And I have a filter for some things. The best way I found to do this hair, and I don't know if it makes any sense or not, but I just put a boatload of glue on her head. And then I get a glob, I wad up a glob of it, and I put it down. You can always mess with it once it's on there. Your gnomes are in Justin's kitchen. You know, I could put some. I need to put some more back here. Thanks, Annette. I think she needs a little bit more hair. Now, I usually put a cross on the back, but if I do that here, this hair is going to cover it up, so I probably won't. So let me get. This hair sticks to everything. And if you have any glue on your fingers, it will stick. It will pull the hair up and move it where you don't want it. But she's Dolly. This is Dolly the Angel. And then if you have vacant spots, you can just take some more and you can plop it on there and fill in the gaps. Okay, she needs a nose. I'm just giving her a little nose. She's going to have a dainty little nose. Thank you, Connie. She's different. She's different from ones I've done before. But I saw somebody doing one on a pedestal. Cindy from Making It with Mimi. I saw her yesterday. Okay, so there is that, she's kind of cute. Okay, what do I do with the crown? See, a creator's mind work. Mine's a creator. Well, thanks. I'm fascinated by how a creator's minds work. And frankly, I'm kind of amazed at how mine's working. But hey, Barbara. So I'm just going to put some hot glue around here. And since this is just going to be glued to her hair and nothing else, it's not going to be as stable as it could be. But I don't see any point in, hey Shirley. Okay, let's stick a little bird in here. Bird flew away and crash landed in, oh dear, where is he? Y'all excuse me. My bird flew away, y'all, and he landed somewhere. That's a plug. Oh dear. You know, that darn bird just totally escaped, so I'm going to have to do something else. I could have her holding the cross I was going to put on the back, if I can find it. Because the bird's gone. Hey, Donna Sue. Thank you, Caroline. So she could be. Thank you, Barbara. I do too. No, I don't like that. I want the bird. You know, it could not have bounced that far. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can find another bird. Y'all don't go away. I'll be right back. What do you know the only bird I've got? Okay, back in business. Back in business. You know, I'm sorry to leave you out for so long. Let's see what color bird we want. Oh, there's a purple bird. Polo. I missed Marco. I like that red. Well, it's pink. Her hands need to be glued together. See, that other bird was the perfect size. Well, I've got 14 minutes. It may take me that long to get the bird on here. What do you think? You like the bird or not? What do you think? You like the bird? You like the bird? You don't like the bird? You like the bird, okay. Bird can stay. Jerry likes the bird, okay, good. So how did I have it? Okay. Now, we have one more decision to make, and that's, do we want to put, crown down. Okay, it's a good thing I put the bird on there, because everybody wanted the bird. So what I do with it? Y'all, I can't keep up with anything. Do we want to put that up there? Or no? Just a little extra something, something. Y'all send some hearts up or some mad faces or something. Let me know what you think about. No, Kathy says no. Okay, I think it's too much too. But now I don't know what else to do. See, I was going to put that cross on there. It could go up there. What about that? The bird's perfect. What about the cross? And that's a rose gold cross. Adorable as it is. You like the bird, it's cute. Cross, yes. Oh, good, I got a yes. Okay. I was going to put that one. Y'all. Ruthie says no. Kathy says yes. Shirley says she's adorable. Cross is nice too. Okay, so far the cross is winning. 3 to 1. Do it. Okay, I'll do it. Tilt your mouse around under. You couldn't see it. Under what? Under the bird? Oh well, it's going to be kind of hard now because the bird's already glued down. It is a pretty dress, isn't it? She's fancy. I'm just putting little dabs of B7000 down here, and I'm going to put some hot glue to hold it. A little dab will do you. She's so pretty. I've got 9 minutes. That's not even enough time to do anything else. this is us. This is what we've got. This is what we did. And I don't know how to get anything up under that bird. Yes, it's a burst. I've got 2 burst canvases up there, and I'll be happy to show them to you. Okay, can y'all think of anything? First, can y'all think of anything to add to this? I've got to glue that down. Gotta put glue in the glue tube. Yeah, Dippity do a little dabble, do you? It's perfect. She's pretty, I think. These wings didn't quite cover what I wanted it to. Okay, so, all right, so she's done. So you want to see the burst canvas. Let me get that down. Let me get these up. Yeah, if you're new to my page, please come like and follow. I've got 3 new people I'm following today. And I'll have one. No more. I'm not doing any more. Okay, burst canvas. I've got 2 of them. And I think I'm going to do one for a Christmas in July event. Pretty little thing. This is the first one I did to see if I could do it. Y'all, they're a lot of fun. And then this is the second one. I did this in private group. Pretty little thing. Okay. So this is the burst canvas. Well, thank you, Kathy. I like them too. It's a lot of fun to do these. Thank you, Blakely. It's a lot of fun to do these. Let me put these back up here. And don't really have time to do anything else, so let's just chat. I'll just hold this little girl over here, and we'll chat for a minute. And Tanya, I'm sorry this didn't take as long as I thought it would. I think it's because I didn't put feet on her. I just put her up on this little pedestal. I'm not going to light her up because there's no way to hide anything. But that's the front of her, that's the back of her. And she's just got a little bird going. It's holding a little bird. Hey, Judy. It's also pretty. Well, thank you. Thank you, Trish. TLC's designs. What did you make the frames out of? The frame is a canvas. What you do is you get, you can see it on this one better. This part is a canvas, you know, like a stretch canvas from Dollar Tree. And then it's this, you can see here, the back of it is a canvas board. And you have the canvas board and the canvas the same size. And tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Tuesday. Yes, I'm going live tomorrow, but I'm not sure what time. 5 o'clock, I think. I'm going live. I've come in an event every day this week, except Wednesday. Anyway, so you cover this board with something. The last thing you do is glue them together, and then you put something on. This is paper that I decoupage to the inside of the canvas, so that when I cut it and rolled it back, it would have the design. Hey, Nancy. So that's how you do it. And we'll do one of these. I think I'm going to try to do a Christmas present, a Christmas in July present like this. In fact, I started playing with one to see if I can do it. But if I do, that'll come up later this week. Okay, still got 4 minutes. Yikes. Oh, I never finish early. It never occurs to me. Hey, Alicia. So, any other questions? Anything you want to talk about? That's, you know, I could show you what I've done, but it's not that much. I just had an auction not too long ago. I'll just clean up while y'all. That's awesome, you like it. How's Andrew doing? Andrew's doing well. He's still happy with his apartment. Said he likes the privacy. And, you know, he doesn't have anybody telling them to turn the TV down or give him an orders, yeah. Where'd you get her wings? I got the wings last year at, thank you, Ruthie. I hope you have a good afternoon. I got them last year at Michael's. They're Christmas ornaments. Storm like heck here this morning. Well, I hope you're staying inside, Judy. So, oh, thank you, Caroline. Somebody in Alabama loves you. And I am going to say it, but I'm going to wait. I still got 3 minutes. Let's see if there's anything that y'all need to see. I don't know if you saw that. I was in a mystery event yesterday, and my mystery item was this basket. And this is what I made out of it. I made a gnome. And this one looks like he's got eyes, because the pansies are right there. So I thought he was kind of cute, and I love this. Frankie did fine with the fireworks, Sandy. It didn't seem to bother him at all. And there weren't so many. I like the wings, too. Now, the wings started out being gold. But I didn't want gold wings. So I painted them silver. And then Southeast Oklahoma. Then I painted them silver. And then I covered them with extreme glitter Mod Podge. That's silver, not the other kind. And, no, the mega silver. You had to medicate your dog. So I had to medicate one time before. Hey, Belinda. And then I thought she was too monochromatic, so I painted the edges of her wings and the wingtips with gold. So that's how I did her. Now I've got 2 minutes. Thanks, Ann. It's, so this is, I'm glad you like her. I think she's kind of sweet. Yeah, my other dogs, you know, I thought they were going to give my little Gracie a heart attack, but I finally learned how to medicate her, and I had to spend all night holding her because fireworks really bothered her. Loud noises bothered her. So apparently my Do Not Disturb is not working. Oh, it's working on that. Okay, so what else? 1 minute. Okay, after me is Your Craft Cottage. No. Sorry, I can't think of the name of the person. Giselle. Your dog's name is Gracie. I loved my little Gracie. She was a little sweet chihuahua, never barked. Anyway, above me is Your Craft Cottage. And all you have to do, thank you, Amanda, all you have to do is, you know, pull your screen down and let, you know, if you're in the Creative Kinship event group, you just refresh your screen and she will be there. And she's probably there now if she's better behaved than I was, because we were supposed to be there 2 minutes early. Anyway, this is what I did. We did it. Thank you for your help. Oh, gotta go. Somebody in Alabama loves you. It's me. Bye, y'all. Okay, how do I get out of here?